Welcome to our video on Meridian CO Hardwood Flooring. In this video, we will explore the beauty and benefits of hardwood flooring options available in Meridian, Colorado. Whether you're renovating your home, building a new house, or simply looking to upgrade your floors, hardwood flooring is a timeless and excellent choice. Let's dive in. One of the great aspects of Meridian CO Hardwood Flooring is the wide variety of options available. From classic oak to exotic bamboo, you can find the perfect style to match your taste and complement your home's interior design. Hardwood floors add warmth, depth, and character to any room. Whether you prefer a rustic, modern, or traditional look, there's something for everyone. Another significant advantage of Meridian CO hardwood flooring is its durability and longevity. Hardwood floors are known for their strength and ability to withstand heavy foot traffic, making them a suitable choice for busy households. With proper maintenance and care, hardwood floors can last for decades, adding value to your property and reducing the need for frequent replacements. Maintaining Meridian CO hardwood flooring is relatively simple. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping can keep your floors looking pristine. Unlike carpets, hardwood floors do not trap dirt, dust, or allergens, making them a healthier option, especially for individuals with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Say goodbye to sneezing fits and enjoy a cleaner indoor environment. Investing in Meridian CO hardwood flooring can significantly enhance the value of your home. Hardwood floors are highly sought after by buyers and can make your property more attractive in the real estate market. Whether you plan to sell your house in the future or want to increase its curb appeal, hardwood flooring is a wise choice that adds both aesthetic and financial value. When it comes to choosing the right hardwood flooring for your home, there are a few factors to consider. These include the wood species, color, finish, and installation method. Different species have unique grain patterns and hardness levels, while the color and finish can influence the overall look and feel of the floor. Hiring a professional installer ensures a proper and long-lasting installation. In conclusion, Meridian CO hardwood flooring offers a wide range of options, durability, easy maintenance, allergy-friendly properties, and the ability to enhance your home's value. With the right hardwood flooring choice, you can transform any space into a stunning and inviting sanctuary. Thank you for watching our video on Meridian CO hardwood flooring.